Gilead Sciences reported fourth quarter revenue that more than doubled on Tuesday night, but shares are falling about 8% in Wednesday trading. I'm joined by Adam Feuerstein, senior columnist for The Street. Adam, overall looked like a strong earnings performance last night. What's spooking investors?
Yeah, like you said, Brittany, 2014 was a great year earnings-wise for Gilead. The reason the stock is down is really about 2015 and the implied forecast for Gilead's hepatitis C drug franchise, which is kind of the thing that investors focus the most on. And they didn't give specific guidance, but based on what they said, it looks like their forecast, at least initially, is weaker than what investors had wanted to hear last night.
And Gilead seems to be dragging down the rest of the biotech sector today due to concerns about drug pricing. Is that a valid concern?
Yeah, I mean, one of the things that Gilead talked about last night was the relatively large discounts that they're having to offer insurance companies for their hepatitis C drugs. And that kind of plays into a concern that investors have had about the biotech sector generally this year, which is, can these companies sustain premium drug pricing when insurance companies and pharmacy benefit managers are really kind of hammering them, trying to get larger and larger discounts? So this kind of plays into those fears, and that's why, Gilead's weakness is being spread around other biotech stocks today.
Now, we saw Jim Cramer on CNBC earlier today urging investors not to bail on biotech. He says he likes Celgene, Biogen, and Regeneron on pullbacks. Do you agree with these?
Yeah, I mean, these are all great companies. Gilead, down today, but obviously a great company. You're going to see this kind of volatility in the biotech sector. It's what investors should expect out of biotech stocks. And these are companies that have been proven winners, and long term, they're still great companies. But with that said, we're going to have to see sort of how this drug pricing issue does play out in the near and medium term.
All right, thank you so much, Adam Feuerstein, senior columnist at The Street.
Thanks.
And I'm Brittany Humar in New York.